because like every
Because
10
something
years or
happened.
so, you have to like swap them out. So let's say I get them at 55, right? That means at 65, I have to swap them out. At 75, I'm on my second pair. Let's say I live to 85, I'm going under the knife again. Like,
If someone tells you you need to change your breast implants every 10 years, they're either misinformed or they're selling you on fear. The truth is, there's no law, no rule, no medical reason to change your implants after 10 years unless they're causing a... FDA does recommend you check your implants by imaging after 5 to 6 years and thereafter every 2 to 3 years, but they don't need to be changed unless they're having a problem. I've had patients 10, 15 years, 20 years, same implants, no problem, no issues. Why fix something if it's not broken? And these aren't your 1990 implants. These implants are new, they're modern, they're stronger, they're more resistant to rupture, and the gel is more cohesive, almost like a gummy bear, and it doesn't spill out. Much safer implant. So where did the 10-year myth come from? Well, there is a warranty many times with implants that says if it ruptures within the first 10 years, it's replaced. That doesn't mean there's an expiration date. It just means the warranty is no longer in place. But if it's not broken, you don't got to fix it. That's like replacing your car if the warranty is up. Here's when you do replace them: capsular contracture, rupture, or you want to change your size. Bottom line, if they look good, they feel good, they're not causing problems, let them be, enjoy them. No need for exercise.